aspiration pneumonia, all right, who are those at risk of aspiration pneumonia? Those whose consciousness are impaired, all right? People with stroke, those who have seizures. Why? Because usually when you swallow food, right, when you swallow food, it goes through here, all right? You eat the food, you swallow it, and it goes to the back of your throat, where your esophagus is at the back. All right. So when you are swallowing, the epiglottis is supposed to close down like that. Okay, it close or shut, so that the food doesn't enter your airway. It rather goes straight into the esophagus. All right. But for some reason, this mechanism is impaired in people who have impaired consciousness, of course, because they don't know that they are swallowing. All right. They are not conscious. Okay. So the food will instead pass here. So that's aspiration. So they aspirate. So when you hear aspiration, that's what it means. That the food didn't pass here. Hey, sorry, I'm giving the patient aspiration one. The food didn't pass here, all right. It rather passed here. When you swallow, this is supposed to close, but for some reason they are not able to swallow or something, so the food passes here. Food was supposed to pass at the back, but for some reason it went to pass in front. Okay. So this is another image to illustrate the same thing. Air and food can both pass through the mouth, all right. But food is supposed to go at the back. It's not supposed to be in front. But for some reason, the epiglottis did not shut, and then it went to pass into the trachea. So he said food enters the trachea by mistake. It's a mistake, all right. It's not supposed to be so. So which organisms do that? Any organism that you find in the GI tract, all right. So you have strep pneumonia in the oropharynx, all right. In the oropharynx, you can have strep pneumonia in the oropharynx. You can also have H influenza. You can have Varicella catarrhalis. You can have strep pyogenes. All right. So that's from the oropharynx, right? But then from the gut itself, lower gut, right? That is where those organisms that you know, like E. coli, Salmonella, Shigella, these are the ones that cause enteric fever, right? Um, these are all gut organisms, all right? So they will cause aspiration pneumonia. So you see that because of this problem, the treatment is different from what you give for a community acquired pneumonia. All right. So that is aspiration pneumonia.